Bueno, y aquí hay mucha gente que sabe en el bochinche. Yo tampoco juego, brother.
It's gonna be my first experience driving in Dominican Republic. Are you scared of me driving?
I'm not scared.
For me driving?
If we made it from the house to this corner, we are going to be fine.
We got the car and it had no gas in it. Driving in another country is always fun.
You do good thing.
But driving in Canada is weird just because all the signs are backwards and upside down. You know?
But here, how it is?
Well, here it's just I have to wrap my head around the fact that there's just no rules at all, and you just pick a direction and go and get there however you get there. Now what? Oh, I should honk my horn at them. That would solve the situation. That would solve all the issues.
Yes.
Oh, yep.
Okay.
Here we go. Getting oncoming traffic.
You made it.
Gira a la derecha. A continuación, gira a la izquierda.
Oh, okay. He's coming. Oh, shit. I have to be careful here.
Wait a
I
minute.
don't know. Go that way. This, the left side.
Yeah, really. What the hell? There's like no lanes here.
Gira a la izquierda.
And you need to be careful because the
En
other side you will
400
see
metros,
cars.
incorpórate a Autopista Las Américas.
Yeah, like what the fuck is this?
Is that road? Uh-oh.
Kinda. Just want to see all the damn warning lights I have. I don't know what the hell a chassis control error is. What's the worst that could happen?
Yeah, Connor.
Ajústate, muchacho, no seas pendejo. Que tú te vas a morir.
This is the car. Can't figure out how to turn the damn headlights on. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, you're hungry. You're just hungry. You just want food. Look at this. This is awesome.
No, you see that?
Oh yeah, from the door, from the full-on
You did too.
off-road course to get up here.
You did too, okay?
Did I?
Yeah.
Yeah, kind
On
of.
your pants.
Yeah, a little bit.
And they don't have breakfast, but they have lunch at 12.
Okay. Oh, they got the little Christmas tree set up. Look at that.
Yes. And look at that. You see that?
What in the world?
And look, you see that?
What's
but
up
don't
here?
go up.
No.
Later when you go to the room, you will go up.
But can we go up there now?
No.
Why not?
I don't know.
There's nothing stopping me.
At 10 a.m. is the tour, 10 to 12.
Okay.
And then if there are more people that are coming with us, it's gonna be like $20. And she said that we can go to the pool and look around, you know.
Oh yeah.
Because
Okay.
we have this course already. And then
Oh, this thing?
let me come on.
We've been tagged.
You want to keep going up?
Yeah. Of course. Go up and up and up. I want to be on top of the mountain. Oh, hey, look at this. You can drive right onto here, too. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool.
Oh my gosh.
Little horsey down there. All right, apparently there's a pool we gotta check out, so we're gonna do that now. What is it? Is it a pool or the river or both? The river pool thing that they got going on? All right, yeah, we gotta go try that. That's pretty freaking sweet. There's a tree on there, but... Oh, yeah.
¿Cuántas mujeres que saben este bochinche? ¿Pa' que no bailan? El perrito. Que tú no sabes bailar. El perrito. Vamos a ver. El perrito. Tú dices que sabes bailar, vamos a ver. El perrito. Y lo baila José. El perrito. Y Domingo Bautista. El perrito. Ahí sí hay. Ahí, muévete ahí. Eso es. El perrito. Y lo baila Rosita. El perrito. Ahí, Rosita.
Oh, he's so cool, baby! Wait, no! Oh. How can I take the picture? I don't see. I don't see. No! I like it. Let me swing. I wanna swing.
Ahí, la India Canela sí sabe. Ahí, eso es. Ahí. ¿Qué te pasó a ti por tu nada más tarde? Chula, 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 chula. Eso es, ahí. Ajá.
What do you think? You like it?
Yeah, baby. That's good. That's why I told you.
Yeah.
I like it.
Check out this room. It's a big room. Look at the little staircase we have to come up to get here. Lots of stairs. Lots and lots and lots of stairs. Nice tall ceilings. We've got another door there. We have another exit. This is our very classic Dominican bathroom. They just sort of gave up with the shower. You think it has hot water? Yeah, you think there's hot water? Nowhere I go in the world with hot water. America's the only place with hot water. Mexico didn't have hot water. Singapore didn't have hot water. Dominican Republic doesn't have hot water. Oh, check out the view. Look at that. It's our own private balcony. We have this balcony all to ourselves. Oh, now we can sit down. Excursion time. Are you ready for the excursion? Yep.
Ve un farolito en tu cintura, ve un farolito en tu cintura. Cuando tú lo mueves, tiembla la luna. Cuando tú lo mueves, tiembla la luna. Ve un farolito en tu cadera, ve un farolito, mamita, en tu cadera. Cuando tú lo mueves, trágame tierra. Cuando tú lo mueves, trágame tierra. Ve un farolito en tu cintura.
Rocks design, you know, so that people used to make and then paint.
Oh, we're gonna see rocks. Cool.
This is the trunk here, this is the eyes, and this is the ear. But honestly, it doesn't have to do with the Indian. That's nature. Okay?
Sure.
Que yo más quisiera que contar contigo. Que yo más quisiera que contar contigo. Ya conté hasta 20 y no estás conmigo. Ya conté hasta 20.
You having fun?
Me lleva perdido ese farolito. Me lleva perdido. Anda pronto negra que no tengo abrigo. Anda pronto negra que no tengo abrigo. Un farolito en tu cintura. Un farolito. Ombligo de luna, ver un farolito en las estrellas, ver un farolito, trágame tierra. ¡Hey! ¡Aprieta!
We haven't seen any snakes. Do they not have snakes here, do they? Do they have snakes in Dominican Republic?
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.